Hey awesome ones, it's Heather here. And the other day I bought myself a new skirt. I just love it. It's got a nice little zipper down the side and I was busy just kind of putting it together with all of the accessories and I went, hey, this can make a video for everybody. So that's exactly what I did. And as I was putting the accessories together, I realized that there are definite do's and don'ts to putting an outfit completely into a look. So I'm going to show you how I did it, and it all starts in just a few seconds. So over here is the finished look. You'll also notice how slimming and trimming it is. Just because of the skirt itself, I decided to go with really a gray and black look to this outfit. But as you know, I do like color, and this is just how it kind of turned out. So now let's take a look at just the top part of the outfit and what we did with that. Now, since I've chosen a top with a lovely lace design, and you guys know I love this top, I just love it, and it really worked with this new gray skirt. What I wouldn't do would be to add a really clunky piece of jewelry, something like this one. It would definitely kind of fight against the look, and it would just be too much, too busy. If you do want to wear a necklace, opt for something with maybe a lighter chain, something along these lines. But what I decided to do was just not wear a necklace at all. Like, why do I really want to take away from the beautiful design in this top? What I did do though is I added some earrings. They've got a little bit of pizzazz, not too much. And again, I didn't want to be adding too much of a big earring like this, or also like this. It would definitely be distracting. Now let's talk belts. I just feel that this outfit without a belt, it's way too plain. It doesn't have anything really going for it. And I had to try on several belts, and really a lot of them that I was putting on were just overpowering the look. It didn't give me that slendering, sleek kind of feeling that I was looking for. You know I love my stretchy belts, and even my favorite stretchy belt, it was a little bit overpowering. What I opted for was this narrow black stretchy belt. As you can see, it just sort of puts a little bit more polish to the look, and I know the stretchy belts, they're really hard to find, so we have some of them. We've linked them below, but also we have some of them at our Amazon store at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50. So I know they're hard to find, but we got them there. But you can see it's just really pulling this outfit together. So check out the slit on this new skirt that I bought. I absolutely love it. And who says that women of a certain age can't put a skirt together with a little bit of a slit in it? And this one's on a zipper, so I can kind of control how high or how low I want it to go. Absolutely love this, and I bought it at Nordstrom's. It's made by a company called Halogen. We're going to try to find something similar to it and link to Nordstrom's.com for you. And again, and if we can find something maybe in another store, we'll do that too. But I'm required to tell you this, that we do make a little bit of commission, but hey, that's how we keep on going and making these videos for you. So thank you from the bottom of our heart. Thank you very much if you're getting a few things that way. Now, under this skirt, to really cap off the slimming look, I'm wearing some shapewear. Now, It looks kind of like this. It's more of a brief type of look, and it goes up on the waist. The one I'm wearing is actually black and not this beige color. Now, if you have an issue with these rolling down, which I find that if I'm dancing a lot, sometimes it does roll down, you can also opt for one with straps, and they really help to combat that. And again, I'm going to have some links for you for these as well. And you'll notice that I opted to wear a nice hose, or if you want to call them tights, and it has a very delicate pattern on it. If I was wearing fishnet stockings, this would definitely go in an entire different direction. And also, I'm looking again for a slimming silhouette. And me with my pale legs, if I just wore bare legs, yeah, it would really stop at the end of the skirt and not give me the kind of look I was looking for. And now for the footwear. I decided to go with a very delicate looking pump on this. If I were to go with a clunky boot, it would definitely ruin the silhouette. Unless I was maybe using a boot like this one here that is very, very sleek looking with a high heel. Yeah, this is, and also for the purse. I've got a very small black purse with this, and I could also use something a little bit larger, you know, for those days where you gotta carry an umbrella and maybe some paperwork or something. This is also a really nice accessory to use. Now this might be a little out of your comfort zone, but if I wanted to make this look kind of pop, I would wear a wine-colored or maybe even a red kind of pump with it. Accessorize that with a purse, again with a little bit of a pop color to it. This is sort of a wine color, and I think it looks great. And don't forget to wear a little bit more of a red lipstick with this one. Now, as I said, I just bought this skirt, but you know I love to add color. So I'm just going to show you, I would probably change the lace top to something just a little bit plainer. But I just want to show you, I just bought this beautiful, it's like a cashmere and wool, it's almost a camel color sweater jacket. That would look nice with this look. Also, maybe I wanted to do a little bit of a dash of lavender or purple. And again, having these kind of sweater tops or a jacket, I can still use my skirt. I would probably not have the slit as high for some of these looks, because that is another feature that you don't want to kind of have everything looking lopsided. So yeah, don't forget, for another look, add a dash of color. So for another kind of presto changeo, I could add a scarf to this and kind of almost hide the look of the lace here. Or again, just sort of wear maybe a plainer black top underneath. But make sure that the scarf doesn't overpower the look. So, hey, a lot of people are into leopard prints right now, and you can just see like where'd the outfit go? You can't really see it here. And here's another idea where I matched it nicely. But no, it's way too overpowering. And by the way, I did a video on 20 different ways to utilize scarves, and I'm going to put the link up there because what a wonderful way to stretch your wardrobe. Take a look at that one. It's pretty informative. So I think one of the main takeaways from this video is just because you bought something new doesn't mean you can just kind of throw anything around with it. Like maybe you did buy that great big amazing leopard print scarf and you think it goes with everything. Well, guess what? It probably doesn't. So take a little bit of time to do some mixing and matching, and then you're set. Now you might think I'm a little bit crazy, which the verdict's not really out on that one, but what I do with many of my outfits is I do little lookbooks for myself. And there's the outfit that I've just been showing you. And also I just bought this amazing cashmere and wool sweater. It's kind of a sweater jacket from Nordstrom's, and I absolutely love it. But I'm also pointing out, you know, which belt I wear, so that, I mean, if you're one of those people who's absolutely frazzled in the morning, you've got all kinds of clothes, but nothing to wear, you know what I mean? You just can't put them together. This will definitely help. And I'm doing a video on this and showing how I do all this together. You could also put it together on your phone. Now, it should be out in a week or two, but maybe this is an old video that you're watching, and just take a look because it might already be posted. So, good idea there. And talking about videos, we put out the beauty ones on Fridays, beauty and fashion on Fridays, and also on Tuesdays, it's more kind of lifestyle, fun. We travel a little bit and show you that food, so make sure you check those out. But somebody I want to introduce right now is the cuteness factor. It's our little Yorkie, Hurricane. Hey Hurricane, how are you? And I know a lot of you just love seeing little Hurricane, our little cuteness factor, and both of us want to thank you so much for watching our videos. You know, we've been doing this for over a year right now, and we absolutely love doing them for you. And hey, if you're not a subscriber, just click on subscribe below, and don't forget to click on the bell as well. And we would love to have you as subscribers. And thank you everybody for commenting and really making this a wonderful community for everyone. We thank you for that. And hey, by the way, I'm now posting every day on Instagram. Just check out Awesome Over 50 in the search. And I'm usually posting fashion and beauty and even some inspirational quotes. So until next time, oh, you're a little bit antsy today. I think you're ready for a walk, aren't you? Yeah, he's ready for a walk. But until next time, I really hope that this video helped you do some mixing and matching of your accessories. And again, until next time, keep those outfits looking really amazing and awesome. Keep it awesome. We'll see you later. Everyone's invited to subscribe and join us on our videos.